everybody and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today we're going to be talking about stock inquiry. So stock inquiry is found on your sales screen here below. I can click stock inquiry or I could use the shortcut F7. I'm going to click stock inquiry and this is what my stock inquiry screen looks like. So on my search bar here, I could type in a code or I could type in a description of what I'm looking for. I'm going to type T. And you could click search here, but I want to search all my stores, so I'm going to tick this box here where it says search all stores. Remember, your number of results can always be increased. I'm going to click search, and I'm going to select the first item, my t-shirt. As you see, the description, the category, the units, it shows me how many units I have available, the subcategory, and the supplier. Below it shows me my stores. I only have a head office and a test store. So it shows me the colors, the sizes, and the retail. As you see, I have no stock available in my test store, but I do see the stock available at my head office. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.